Can you steer him my way?
You may try to? Take the lid.
Oh, I see him. Alright. Nice.
I know, right? We'll just drop it again just in case. Oh my god. Oh!
We got him.
You see?
Alright.
Here.
Here, I can learn you a thing if you want to learn something about
We
him.
don't know what. Is it poisonous?
So this one, due to the shape of his head, I'm going to go with non-venomous.
Okay.
Yeah, his pupils are round and he's got a round-shaped head instead of like an arrow-shaped head.
So that's probably what you saw, right? Is that him?
With that coloration, it kind of made me concerned because that coloration is consistent with a water moccasin, which is one of the most venomous snakes in Florida. But the shape of his head and his pupils, he's non-venomous. He's harmless. He's not happy.